Hey guys, it's Candy. Welcome to my channel. I do appreciate you taking the time to take in this video. Yes, this is the spring twist human hair from Y Wigs that I'm using today for today's small, what I call mini twists. Yes, you can judge and tell me if it's mini twists or it's just small. However, guys, we're gonna get right into the video. As you can see, I'm making very small parts. Yes, so that the twist can come out nice and small but look full at the same time. So I'm being careful to part the hair pretty close to each other. All right, so this is how the hair looks, and this is a hair with the hair overlapped. So the hair is actually 24 inches long. However, I am pretty sure that they intended for it to be 24 inches if you were to stretch it all the way out. So not in its shrunken state or in the state in which you're going to be using it will it be 24 inches. So if you're expecting to just use one piece of hair and get the hair looking long, you'll be disappointed. So what I do is I overlap the hair, so one piece overlaps the other, and that doubles the length of the hair, and it will give you a nice length just past the shoulders, and that's actually a very natural look if you ask me, so no worries there. So I just actually start with a braid, and then I transition into a twist, and you see me curling the ends so it have a nice natural look. But guys, as usual, you have to stick and stay because there are some parts in the video where I slow it down, sometimes where I do it real time, and another time it will be a little bit sped up. But yeah, so if you're trying to learn how to do it, just be patient and follow and stick to the process. All right, so here I am actually starting off with a braid, and of course, you know, for a braid it's 3 legs, and then I separate the 3 legs into 2 legs, and of course her hair actually is separated into 3 to form those 3 legs, and then the 2 pieces of braiding hair goes on either side. The one in the middle is the third. So braid and then twist, and you want to do a soft twist. You're not trying to roll the hair, rope the hair, or twist the hair tightly. You want it to have a nice loose springy look, and so you're just doing an effortless twist. Yeah, so this is the first row, 2 4 6 twists in the back, and we're just gonna continue, yeah, with the next row. And a little bit about the hair. The hair, as I mentioned before, is human hair, and it is in the color 1B. I believe that they call the color natural. If it's not natural, it's color number 1B. But I definitely, as usual, will leave the link down below to the hair so that you guys can actually utilize the website to access the hair, and I will also leave a discount code for you guys so that you guys can enjoy some savings, right? Right. I did use 2 packs. Yes, so 2 packs is the recommended amount. I believe I used just under 2 packs. I don't think I used the entire second pack, but I used most of it. So definitely get at least 2 packs. If you have more hair on your head, or if you like the hair to be even smaller, you have to definitely get 3 packs. All right, but I did use 2 or almost 2 for this look. And the style takes a while based on the size. I actually think it took about maybe 5 or so hours to install. If you're doing it on your own head, it might take a little bit longer. If you're faster than me, then it will be quicker. I don't think I'm the fastest braider out there, but I do try my best. I don't like to compromise the neatness of the style for speed, if you know what I mean. So I will take my time, and I will make sure that everything is uniform, and yeah, that's what we're going for. Neatness is key. So I'm just about finishing up this last twist right here before I move to the next one. And of course, if you see stragglers, you have to go ahead and just snip them off with your scissors and you're good to go. So this is how the hair looks separate. Then I overlap like so. Then I am just going ahead separating her hair into 3 different legs, and I merge the 2 braiding hair with the 2 outer legs and use the middle part as the 3rd leg for the braid. All right, so now we're going in and starting our braid for about an inch or so, I would say, and then you just separate the middle leg so that you can start doing a twist. And you just keep twisting ever so loosely or slightly or lightly. And of course, you see me adding product as I go along. That helps to blend her hair in with the braiding hair and make the hair nice and smooth and not frizzy. All right. Yeah. So it's a pretty simple hairstyle, guys. Once you can twist, which twist is just, overlapping the hair on top of each other or crisscrossing the hair over each other. So yeah, once you can twist, you should be good to go. All right, so guys, we're pretty much almost at the end of the process, and this is what it looks like with the parting. And by the magic of editing, I am at the last one. Yes, at the last one. So I'm just going ahead adding up my Let's Jam, no, not my Let's Jam, my Shine and Jam Magic Fingers, which is my product of choice to make the hair sleek, overlapping the braiding hair using a small piece and starting off my braid. All right, so I'm done with the installation. So now I'm going to just go ahead and trim up any little flyaways that I see. And of course, yay, we are done. Look how full this is, guys. I'm not even seeing any parting, which was my goal. So I'm just going ahead and adding some mousse, and the mousse will help to give it some shine and help to make it feel softer to the touch. Yeah. And once that is done, this is the finished look. The hair is absolutely weightless, super light, natural looking, low maintenance, easy to wear, and versatile. Yeah, you can make reference to my own video where I showed you some styles that I did wearing this same hair. I'm actually still wearing it now. As you can see in the video, I'm still wearing mine. So we are twinning. Anyway, guys, so thank you for watching. I do appreciate you spending time with Natural Hair Dynamics. And if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. This is the front angle. Yes. And I'm going to do, of course, the 360 so you guys can see how it looks. But yeah, as I was saying before, thanks for rocking with me. appreciate each of you guys, and we will definitely catch up in my next video. Remember, Wednesdays and Saturdays is where it's at, so stay tuned. And you guys are welcome to comment in the comment section below and see the details for the hair, the link, and the discount code in the description section. We will talk. So bye.